Good morning, I'm Ronabet A. Bailon, a student from Carlos Hilado Memorial State University. In this video, I'll be sharing some thoughts on personal and professional development, specifically about having a positive mindset, managing stress, being ethical in how we present ourselves, and building our personal brand. First, let's talk about cultivating a positive mindset. To me, a positive mindset means believing in yourself and focusing on what you can improve. It's not always easy, but I try to look at challenges as chances to grow. Staying positive helps me to stay motivated, especially when I'm struggling with school tasks or feeling discouraged. Next is stress reduction techniques. We all get stressed, especially with school and personal stuff. What helps me is taking breaks and sometimes just talking to someone I trust. I also try to manage my time better by setting small goals. It doesn't remove the stress completely, but it helps me feel more in control. Now, crafting an ethical professional identity and appearance. This means acting with honesty and respect and presenting ourselves properly, whether in school or in the future workplace. How we act and how we dress says a lot about us. Being responsible, respectful, and dressing appropriately shows that we're serious and trustworthy. And lastly, personal branding and professional presence. Personal branding is about how people see us. I want to be known as someone who is dependable, kind, and hardworking. It's not just about what we wear, but also how we treat others and carry ourselves, both online and offline. Every small actions builds up our reputation. And to end this video, these four topics really help me reflect on who I am and who I want to become. Developing ourselves now can make a big difference in the future. Thank you.